People are excited about maintenance, but I'm terrified. It's the hardest part in my mind. Welcome to Frequently Asked Questions. I'm Dr. Meghan. I'm a board-certified obesity medicine physician and weight loss coach, helping you cut through the pseudoscience and confusion in weight care. My approach combines evidence-based medicine with real behavioral change, so you don't just take medication, you actually transform your health. Today's question is, long-time learner, first-time question. I love it. I'm at maintenance after losing 150 pounds in the past 2 years. Oh my gosh, congrats. Through tirzepatide, calorie deficit, weight training, and walking. Go you. Okay, I needed to change my clinician, but all clinicians I look at will not take me because I'm a healthy BMI. How do I find a clinician that will help me? People are excited about maintenance, but I'm terrified. It's the hardest part in my mind. Okay, great question. So I will tell you what I do. For me, this is similar. I like to think like weight medicine in many ways is no different than any type of other branch of medicine, in that, like, if I am working as a primary care doctor and I have a new patient and they've been on lisinopril for their blood pressure for the past 5 years and it's been working well and their blood pressure is controlled, I'm not going to take them off of it just to see what happens to their blood pressure. Like, I'm going to keep them on it because it's working. So it's not like they don't have high blood pressure anymore. They have controlled blood pressure. The medication is doing its job. So they have a chronic medical issue that is well controlled. And that is also how I think about weight and somebody who is at a healthy BMI. So maybe I have a new patient, and this happens for me because a lot of people come to see me, they've started with somebody else, and then they transition to my office. And so let's say I had a patient who, initially their BMI was a 35, and then through medication and lifestyle changes, now their BMI is a 25. Well, just on paper, somebody who has a BMI of 25, they are not going to qualify for weight medication. But it's the same as blood pressure in that they have obesity. It's just controlled now by the lifestyle changes and the medication. So I'm not going to change it if it's working. Like, it doesn't get better than fixed, right? So I think it also comes down to, not every clinician has the bandwidth to take on a lot of weight medication issues in terms of administration, like the red tape behind the scenes. Some clinicians do not have a lot of experience with it, and so may be sort of reluctant to engage in that aspect of somebody's care. And that side note, that's another reason why, if you live in America, you should check out the American Board of Obesity Medicine, which is the place where everybody who's a physician who's board certified in obesity medicine, that is where the boards come from. And they have their own directory in terms of physicians in your state who are board certified in obesity medicine. So definitely check that out, because anybody who's a board certified obesity medicine doctor is going to be comfortable prescribing these, you would think. So for me, it's really all about the starting weight before initiating treatment. So if somebody started at a BMI of 25 and they're looking for additional weight loss, they're not going to be a good candidate. But if they started at 35, a BMI of 35, and now they're at 25, that's very different. Now their BMI is controlled. So for me, that's not a problem. But I think for some people, it's this brand new field of medicine and there's a lot of catch up to be had. So if you're really having a hard time and you live in America, I would start with the American Board of Obesity Medicine. You can search by your state, you'll get a whole long list. And then if you're outside of the states, your country may have a similar board, and I would check that out as well. So great question. But for me, it's not a problem. That's how I think about it. Always these questions come from the community. So if you have a question, you can leave it on this channel, or you can leave it on this video or another video, and I'll add it to the list. If you want to work one-on-one with me, if you're like, I need some more up close and personal guidance with my relationship with food, how I'm exercising, what do I do with this food noise, click on the link below, schedule a discovery call. I will tell you all about how I help people just like you. I love to talk about this. I do this all day, every day. I love to help people figure out all the other things that go along with weight loss in addition to the medication, because we really can't rely on the medication to do everything. And I want you to be getting the most out of your medication. So click on that link below. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and please be well.